everyone, this is Annette, PurplePaisley Planner. So the other day I got some happy mail from Sassy Jones and I needed some brushes, so I went ahead and got these. There's 10 brushes and then the bag you get. So I was so excited to get this. I think this is the cutest bag and everything. If this is something you're interested in watching, please stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to go over the brushes that you get, and I'm going to show you real quick. There we go. I think this is right cute, these brushes. Okay, and I have not used them yet, and this is deep inside. It's just a nice bag. There we go. So I'm going to go over the brushes that you get and everything. So, and I like that the brushes are numbered because it lets me know what I'm using the brush for. So the first brush you get is this, and this is synthetic right here. So the first brush you get here is number 20. So number 20 of this brush is a powder brush. So this is your powder brush. And I just like how it's just soft, and it's soft to the skin. So this is the powder brush, and see how it says Sassy Jones. Sassy Jones number 20. Sassy Jones number 20. Then you get number 24, which I like this 24. It's a contour brush. It's a contour brush, number 24. So it contours your cheeks, your jawline. Is a good contour brush. Here goes this brush right here, which is number 28. So number 28 is a blending brush. So you get the blending brush. So that's number 28. And the blending brush is good to apply for your eyeshadows and your creases, and then you could blend it out. Number 29, which I'm really liking the 29, that's your pencil brush, and it's perfect for applying liner and eyeshadow on the bottom of your lying lashes, on the bottom of your lashes. So you could use it as it's your eyeshadow brush, not your lip liner. It's the brush to your, for your eyes. So it's perfect for applying liner and eyeshadow on the bottom of your lashes. See that one? Number 21 is your foundation brush. I like this. It's your foundation brush. And the foundation brush, which is number 21, which I'm going to use this a lot. I use to apply smooth and even foundation application. So I like that. And this here is number 26, which is your concealer brush. It's your concealer brush. So your concealer brush is used for applying concealers under your eyes or cream eyeshadow. So that's nice. And then you got number 23, which is your blush and bronzer brush, used to apply blush and bronzer powder and highlighter. Isn't this, look at it, it's just really soft and nice. Yes. I think these are good high-end brushes. Right here is number 32, which is your highlight brush, used to apply cream, liquid, or powder highlighter. So I'm going to take it there, see? Isn't this nice? Number 32. Okay. And here goes number 30. And number 30 is your brow brush. Your brow brush, used to define and fill in brows can be used with a gel eyeliner. So you can use that for your gel eyeliner. Try and look at the tip. Just really nice. And last and not least, number 27, which is your eyeshadow brush. Number 27, used to create a smooth base for any eyeshadow application. See that? I like that. So you get all of these brushes, which I really like. And then I bought 2 additional brushes. These brushes are sold separately. And I'm going to show you these 2 brushes that I got. So I got a Flawless Sculpting Highlight and Contour brush. This is separate. This is number 31. And it comes 2-ended. See? This is sold separately from the brush set on her Sassy Jones website. So if you, I got the link below, and you could go straight to her website. And then I got the Kabuki brush, which is a Flawless HD Kabuki brush, which I like too. Let me show you that. I gotta take it out. So it came like this. It's the Kabuki brush. And let me take it out of the package. They had it taped up really good. I gotta see if I could find where the tape breaks. Da-da-da-da. I should have had opened this already, but they got this taped up really good. There we go. So this is the Kabuki brush right here. This is the Kabuki brush. And this is sold separately. And this is number 22, the Kabuki brush. So this brush is not included with this set. So yeah, both the brushes I bought separately. Both these are individually sold separately. So yeah, these are sold separately. But you could add it to your collection. I got this tape on my finger. You could add it to your collection. So thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and click the notification bell so you know when I'm live or when I upload a video. Stay positive, and goodbye. Love you all. Bye-bye.